We just checked into our Airbnb here in Barcelona. All right, so here's a quick tour of the crib. Say what's up, Brooks.
What up?
We got our living room right here. Nice little hangout spot right here with a view of the city. Okay, we got a little kitchen set up, and then bathroom and bedroom number 1. And the master bedroom. Oh yeah. That's the place. Pretty nice. Brooks and I are about to go walk over to the supermarket right now and just stock up on a few things. And yeah, we got a pretty sweet setup here. We're stoked and about to go have some fun on our first day in Barcelona. Let's go. That is a big market. Damn. I've never seen a market like this.
This is so cool.
All right, we just got back from the market. Here we got a dozen eggs, strawberries, apples, bananas, and some sausage. Boom. Tonight is a very special night because I'm going to a basketball game here in Barcelona to watch a few of my really good friends play. The timing could not have worked out any better. It's my first day here in the city and it's their last game here. I played with and against these girls in college, and so it's such a full circle moment to be able to go watch their game and support them here in Barcelona. I can't wait to take you guys with me and introduce you to my really good friends.
Do I look awkward?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, guys?
Let's do an interview.
Doing so good. Cam came out today. Wish we got the dub for her, but you know what? She came out and literally my favorite person ever. So
Yeah, my girl. Hey, this is my girl. We hooped together at Calu. This is my girl right here. And then we got Kimona Pizza right here. Oh, this is the
Chapman game. Wait, post game interview. Post game interview.
How do you feel? Best player in the gym? Like,
Okay, chill.
Player of the year.
No.
She literally got us, guys.
Player of the year right here.
Co-player of the year, seriously.
We did lose on a buzzer beater, but our motto of the trip is get we ball.
But
We're still living, and it's been the best experience ever.
The score was wrong.
Yeah.
We were up.
España does not like us.
No,
but,
bueno.
I am on a Red Bull. I've never leisurely drank Red Bulls in my entire life, so. Oh, watch this.
You want to get this? You want to put this in the vlog?
Right,
Don't pull your
let's
sweatshirts white.
Can you believe we're here right now? There are 3 things that I strive to achieve every morning: physical exercise, morning solitude, and mental clarity. And today, we checked off all those things. Came home to Brooks cooking up some breakfast for us. What we got going on here, bro?
We have some fresh sausage from the market we went to yesterday and some fresh eggs that we're about to scramble up.
For our stop in Spain, we actually have a friend joining us, which I'm super excited to introduce to you guys. Miss Leah Green. Bring it in, Leah.
Hi, vlog. This is so exciting. I am a huge super fan, Cam fan, if you will. I am here from Chicago, Illinois. I flew in for this journey specifically. And
she just followed us here.
I did. I found Cam on the internet. And I am a super fan. Questionable.
I have a stalker, so.
Yeah, and it's me.
That was a joke.
We're really friends. We are.
Yes, we're actually friends.
Tell them we're friends. But I am a super fan.
She's gonna be joining us on our trip in Spain, so you'll see some great content from her. Yep.
Yep.
We're doing a bike tour and a wine tasting day.
The coast of Barcelona, but the coastal smaller.
I'm getting.
I mean, the wine in your left glass gets something. I can tell you it's not very. You know, of the region, but the sea in
We came to a restaurant called Las Flautas. La Flauta. And they're famous for their tapas. So we're gonna get the traditional Spanish meal tonight.
Their own little.
That's so interesting. What is that?
Duck liver. Foie gras.
You said this is the best for last, right? Talk to me, how good was that dinner tonight?
It was incredible.
So good.
Very traditional tapas from Barcelona.
Our waiter was suggesting all these things, and we would order one thing, and he was like, "No, you need to get this." Like he really knew what he was doing. We had a wide array of things. We had like meat, we had fish, we had duck liver.
Now it's time to go have a fun night.
We're gonna go party.
Let's go party.
We're gonna go partying. We're gonna go meet up with my basketball friends, and we're all gonna go out. For the vlog, what are we doing?
Hey, we on tonight. Come on.
We going out, baby? What is going on right now?
We headed to the club. The club going up.
Insane. Right now we're going to Bling Bling, but I see there's a bunch of other spots on the street, but it's like literally the most crowded street.
Place is popping. We survived a night out in Spain. How are we feeling?
I give it maybe a 3 out of 10. This morning, last night, 10 out of 10.
Spain 1, us 0.
Yep.
We got our coffees and we're about to go
On a boat.
on a boat. We're thriving.
I got a no-name, gravel 2-lane that gets me where I wanna go. I turn my phone off, the radio on, ain't a song that we don't know. Hit that one-pump shell off the 109, top the cooler off a can, say some ready eyes. Yeah, the time's right for a good time, and time's moving nice and slow. Living easy, easy, got the sun and a cold one going down. Easy, easy, only thinking about right here, right now. A little late night city.
We're here in the Med, swimming.
Something about her in my sweatshirt, fireside dancing around, making stories for the morning. Got no one to shut us down. Some people might think there's nothing out here. Yeah, nothing for miles, but nothing's more clear. Got a good view of a good vibe, and out here we're all about living easy, easy. Got the sun and a cold one going down. Easy, easy. Only thinking about right here, right now. A little late night sipping. Here's to the good life we're living. Easy, yeah. Lazy, laid back, loving.
So I got a little burnt today. We got our outfits of the night. Shout out to Leah because she actually is letting me borrow a couple of her outfits for our Spain week. So
This is styled by Leah.
it's styled by Leah.
Leah.
Where is this from?
Yeah, Leah.
Oh, it's from Leah.
I actually don't know where it's from.
Where are we going tonight?
Going to flamenco show with dinner. We heard it's a very passionate performance. We're so thrilled. And after that, we're gonna come straight to bed.
Straight to bed. Last night was a late night.
My friend Celine, she showed us the show, and she said that flamenco is typically a story of a breakup through dance. And the first two performers were women, and they started out very slow and like sultry, and it was more like, you know, emotional but like slower. And the man, the third man that came out, it was all very powerful, like very like immediately like proving his strength. And all the performers, they showed the emotion on their face, and it looked like they were very hurt, but they were showing it like through their body movements. And so it's a very emotional performance, and it was all just incredible and absolutely
Just got in a quick 30-minute workout with my Rec Sweat resistance band. Such a good workout, little booty burner. I'm gonna post the full workout on my Instagram page, so go ahead and check that out at CamFit25. Hey vlog, we're back.
We're back.
Another style by Leah.
Slay.
We're going to have dinner at a paella restaurant. We will probably get the seafood paella, and we can't wait for that.
Yeah.
And then straight to the cruise on a catamaran, listening to some jazz music and having some wine.
Love it.
And so,
Pero estoy haciendo los deberes, que conste.
Just wrapped up an incredible jazz sunset cruise. It was so relaxing and a great way to end our Barcelona trip. Met up with some really great friends while we were here and just had such a great time. I feel like this trip just keeps getting better and better. Tomorrow morning we're headed to Valencia to spend 4 days there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.